Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to program a factory key fob on a 2010 Subaru Legacy. I'd like to point out a few things before we begin. The first being that I purchased a couple different aftermarket keys from eBay as well as remotes, and none of them ended up working. I even took one to a locksmith and had him attempt to program it to the vehicle, and he was unsuccessful. I returned everything and ended up going the OEM route. This is a OEM Subaru key, uncut transponder that has not been programmed to another vehicle. A few things that you need to keep in mind when purchasing something like this is that the part number is correct for your vehicle. There were two different part numbers for this key fob, and only one of them is actually able to be programmed to the specific 2010 2.5 premium model that I'm currently sitting in. That is 25497AJ00A. Another thing that is extremely important is that you get this tag, which contains 8 digits on it, and those digits are what we need in order to program this remote to the vehicle. In order for us to continue to program the remote to the vehicle, it's very important that we already have a working key. This is a valet key, it's transponder, but it works in the vehicle. If you do not have a key that currently works with your vehicle, you'll have to contact your local locksmith or dealership and have one made. Next, take the key that we know is working with the vehicle, stick it in the ignition, and turn the ignition on and off 10 times fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll hear a beep every 2 seconds. Next, open and close the door. And now it should be a constant chime. This is when we can program the new remote by using the lock and unlock buttons on the driver's side door. We'll enter the numbers in sequence. First number being 3, lock, 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 unlock. Next number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number 2, 1, 2. Next number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unlock. You'll hear a beep every 2 seconds. Press the unlock button one more time. And then re-enter the 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unlock. The doors will lock and unlock. The beeping will stop after a few seconds. And the beeping stopped. Now we can turn the vehicle off, remove the old key, take the new key, try it, lock, unlock. There you go. I hope this video was informative and helped you out. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.